Hello everyone,
Hello, welcome back to the channel.
and also welcome to the most awaited video that you guys were asking for, which is the top colleges in Mumbai and why are they known.
And this information is according to some statistics that are available on Google, and of course our experience because we are born and brought up in Mumbai. So a lot of native info that you'll be getting.
Also, if you're new to the channel, then do like, subscribe because there's lots coming up about travel and learning languages.
In this video, we are going to tell you about the college name, why it is known, and our review about the college.
Also, we are gonna list the colleges not based on any rank or order. We are just going by the flow of what all is the known colleges. First college we are going to talk about is Xavier's. So Xavier's College is very well known in Mumbai and it offers various courses mostly for science and arts. It's mostly known for arts, and you have also courses like BMM and degrees till post graduation. It is known for arts field, for the fest of course, Malhar. It is most popular fest and I think also the best fest in Mumbai. It's very nearby to the VT station, which is a very popular location of Mumbai, and also apart from the location, it has this heritage structure where a lot of movies has also been shot. So yes, the location is also what makes the college very popular.
So our review related to Xavier's is that the cutoff is quite high for arts specifically. Of course, if you are in this college, you go to this college, we think that it's something that is going to grow you a lot. It's very creative. There is a lot of diverse crowd and everything is very diverse, very creative, and you will grow a lot if you opt for this college.
Next college is Sophia's College. Now this is the girls college and it is also very popular because of the wide range of courses that the college offers. It has junior college, graduation, also post graduation courses for girls, as it is a girls college. And the one most important thing over here is their festival.
And the review that we have for this college is, again, it's a wide range of courses that you get. There is also hostel that is provided and with the college, of course, and the environment is very energetic and again very creative. The next one is Jai Hind. Again, this one is very famous in Mumbai. It's known for its commerce fields and courses that they have, and of course the glamour that's there with the college, and it's actually there.
So if you're interested into media and going into media field, this college will be a good for it, and also it's good for networking. This college which is also very good for networking is NM College. Now this college is not in South Bombay, but it is based in Vilaypad, western part of Bombay. Also, this college offers wide variety of courses in commerce. So it is particularly known for commerce. Its cutoff is very high, but all worth it because it has the courses till post graduation. So if you get in, you can always get the minority section as you are into junior college and you go ahead. And one important thing over here is its MBA and its PG program, and also masters are very well known and it has good placement opportunity. So if you are a beginner and you want to start off with the college, you can start with NM because it will, in a long run give you a very good result.
So our review of the college is that, again, it provides a wide range of courses, but it's mostly known for, and it will be beneficial for you for the PG programs that it has. And another thing that is really good about this is that it has modern infrastructure. So that again will be a plus point if you wish to go to NM. The next one is Ruia College. Again, this is very famous and known for arts and science, and it offers courses for junior college and even for your graduation. And of course, they have this one exciting thing of exchange program.
For language students, so if you opt any foreign languages, you definitely get an exchange program held by the college to take you there. Apart from it, it is very well known for its curriculum activities, and our review about it, if you are interested in going into extra curriculum activities and participating into different literacy circles or different circles that are held, then you can opt for this college. And it's also in a very good location, so it is near to the Dadar station, which is like I can say the center the center of Mumbai. So whichever part you're coming from, it will be very easier for you to opt for this college.
So the next one is R.A. Podar, which is again in the similar area. It's in Matunga, which is near Dadar, And it's also known for commerce field. There are commerce courses that are very popular of these colleges, especially the people who want to get into CA field. They opt for the BCom degree in this college.
As it conducts a lot of festivals. The students who come here are very academically focused. So if you're someone who wants to build a career in commerce field in financial background, we recommend you this college, and it's also good for sports. So if you're into sports, then you can look for Podar. And one more thing about it is, because it is a commerce college, there are courses of commerce. There is BMS, BCom in degree college, and it also have post graduation courses, but only of commerce. So there's a lot of unity among the students to get you along throughout your career, as you all are pursuing the same thing. So something you're very strong of, that you want to do that, you should definitely opt for Podar. Next up is Mitibai College. This is also one of the most popular colleges of Mumbai. It is based in the western part of Mumbai in a good location. It offers courses of all the three fields: arts, commerce, science, of graduation, post graduation, and also junior colleges. And if you are focused into media, this is also a good option. And because of its good campus, it is very popular for its fest. Celebrities are often spotted here.
So our review about this college is, because there are so many options here available in all the three fields, we would suggest you to be focused in it and go ahead.
Next is KJ Somaya College. KJ Somaya is one thing very popular for is its campus. I think it has one of the huge campus here in Mumbai. It is located in the central line. It offers all the courses, art, science, commerce, but it is popularly known for its MBA and post-graduation program. So again, if you wish to go ahead in certain course or field, you can start from the junior college and stay in this campus, or even explore, up to you. But it's really good for its post graduation, and even engineering post graduation is available here. Our review here is good for placement and post graduation program, and also it's good for sports.
So the last one is Andrews, which is in another area of Mumbai in Bandra, and it's known for its science, commerce, and arts field. It's also known for sports activities and of course self-finance course like BMS. And our review of this college is that it's good for all the three fields, and of course it's a good college in that location.
So that was it from our side. These were some of the colleges of Mumbai which are very well known and popular in Bombay for its courses and also festivals. Do comment down below of which college you are looking for to come in, and if you have any questions regarding life in Mumbai as a college student, then also comment down below. We would love to answer.
And if you're coming to Bombay, if you have questions related to if you're coming as a student, for rent, which area is good, all of these questions, then comment below, and we have something exciting coming for you, so stay tuned.
And follow us on Instagram to know more and connect to us. See you soon. Subscribe. Thank you for watching.
Bye.